Live and direct from MSI Money Stereo Installation. I knew this day was coming. Yeah, I knew it was coming. Where these are going to cross my steps and they're going to say, hey, can you do it? You've already seen me do one. As you see, we're brand new. Low mileage. I don't know what it is, but it's a 25. Paper plate gang. Bags is empty. Well, this is what we got going here. Ooh, pretty on the motor too. So, owner brought me previous devices from previous motorcycles. What can we use in this scenario, Rob? Diamonds for the front. He wants to go cicada on the lid. He has an ARC audio amp. He has a Fosgate amp. He has a sound digital. He has a processor. Like I said, we always try to stay ready, so we have to get ready. We got the new stuff. We stay ready, so we ain't got to get ready. We ain't got to learn it. I trained on it all last year. Working a few scenarios. Down south with man Chris, Exclusive Sounds. He showed me what was what, the ins and outs. So my man wanted to do a highway setup. Then he said, well, hey, I want my space. Can we add an 8 in the back? Like I say, I stay ready, so I don't have to get ready. Bam, got it. Can we fit this in the front? Well, I've consulted the internet gods, and they said, yes, you can if you do this, this, and this. If you want to know what this and this is, you're going to have to look it up, like I looked it up. From there, we're going to run with that. So like I said, we stay ready, so we don't have to get ready. I got there on the shelf if I need it. I got this on the shelf if I need it, with the knob for the 1600.1. So we stay ready. If you need hertz or diamond in your life, I'm ready. Okay, we got problems. Fosgate, too big. Sound digital, too big. The other one, too wide. I'll show you what I mean. Diamond amp, see the fairing is back where it needs to be at. All screws have lined back up. All that stuff. That's by putting, pause. Okay, so the problem we've come up to is this. Due to the size of the Fosgate amplifier and without cutting any metal, the fairing goes right back in. Bam, stock locations. Everything is good. It'll close up without cutting of anything. Pause. Without cutting anything. But if you take out this and you try and put this in, physically too big, too tall, fairing won't close. Try and put this in, too wide, fairing still won't close. But it's too wide, plus Fosgate does not cross over high enough to keep highs alive. And we're trying not to cut any metal or anything. So even with this, it sits up too high. Hold on, pause. Okay, I was able to get the Fosgate in. Now let's see if the front will close. Hold on, pause. Okay, with the Fosgate on in there, it closes back up. So the problem with the Fosgate is Fosgate crossover points are set too low. That's at high pass, stops at 250. Over here, I have to pull the plate on it, but the diamonds, they go at 400. This is awesome right here, but it doesn't go, it's too physically big, goes to 850. That's enough to keep your words alive. The Fosgate will burn tweeters up, like we talked about earlier, even though it fits. The diamond right now looks to be the best option. Pause, another video. Looks to be the best option is the diamond, because the diamond crosses over at a higher point. The Fosgate, you have to put the processor in, but there is really nowhere for it to go. It may be getting hidden inside of here and then come out. Then we can tame the faucet and make it do what we want it to do. Most likely we can do that. Which is, I'm trying not to, if I'm gonna make a cut on this metal, I want to make it worth my while of cutting some metal. So if we trying to work them 8s in there, this stock amp is too physically big. There's a company, Volunteer Audio, that sells a box that completely eliminates this. Few people do it. Yeah. But if we're trying to get 2 amplifiers in here, we're gonna have to chop up some stuff, which meaning possibly if I chop the whole inner out like I did mine and leave this part standing, we still got this same gap. It just drops it down some. We might can get the other amplifier in here at that time. That's what I'm looking at now. So get back to you in a second. I'm thinking it through. So before we even entertain my ideal I just came up with, let me verify that this thing physically works. I got a new ideal. Stay tuned. Okay, we got action. So it does work. Okay, I got an ideal. I'll get back with you in a minute.